Well, g'day curd nerds. Today we're doing a taste test for Queso Chihuahua. Now, Queso Chihuahua, if you've seen the original video, is a cheddar style cheese that originates from the state of Chihuahua in Mexico. So this has been aged for 3 months, so it was ready to be eaten on the 23rd of February this year. So let's crack it open and have a look and see what it tastes like. Just some observance, there's a little bit of whey that's been pressed out. I think that's because of the vacuum packing, nothing to do really with the cheese, but it looks okay, looks intact. So let's cut it open. Get rid of the bag. There's a little bit of moisture on it, it's not too bad. I'll just pat that dry a little bit. Smells okay, doesn't smell off, there's no off smell, certainly on my fingers anyway. So I'm just going to pat that off with paper towel. That's just a little bit of excess whey that's gone on the cheese. This paper towel won't affect the cheese any. Okay. Just wash my hands. Just dry my hands. Rightio, and we're back. Okay, before we cut it, let's have a quick photo opportunity. So let's cut into it and see what it looks like. So I'll cut straight across. Cuts well, it's not sloppy or anything like that. Let's have a look. Okay, there's some, oh, smells great. There's some mechanical holes where I didn't press hard enough, but that's not too bad. Let's cut it into, let's have a look at this other side. Yeah, same again, some mechanical holes where I didn't press it hard enough. I pressed it enough that it closed the rind of the cheese. But as typical of these sorts of cheddar-y sort of cheeses, there are some mechanical holes where you just cannot press it down firm enough, but that's fine, there's no issue with that. And then into quarters, and not so bad, but definitely looks really good. So let's try the cheese out and have a bit of a taste, shall we? Just cut off a thin slice. A little bit crumbly. Oh no, it's not that bad. When I try to cut it thinly, it's a little bit crumbly. Crumbly. Oh, smells. Oh, that is really nice. Oh. Well, it tastes like cheddar, is basically what I'm trying to say, or trying to express with my mouth. It's remarkable that this cheese at just 3 months old tastes like a cheddar would at, say, 6 months old. It's got the same sort of structure, a little bit sharp, which is good. Creamy. Oh, no, that is a really good cheese. So if you're looking to make a quick cheddar style cheese, then Queso Chihuahua is the one to go for. Oh, I can't stop eating it. This is so good. No, that's a really good cheese. And as I said, oh, let me swallow this. Very similar to cheddar in its style. Vac packing was good. Like I said, a little bit of whey there that I just had to use a paper towel to dampen that up. I'll vacuum pack half of this for storage and I'll put that into the normal kitchen fridge. The rest of it will, I'll just wrap up in cheese paper and we'll consume that over the next few weeks. I dare say it'll probably melt pretty good because, as I said, cheddar style, they all melt really well due to the fairly high fat content. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the taste test and didn't get too put off by my machinations. If you want to check out the original Queso Chihuahua video, pop over there. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you like the content, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel where you will be informed of many cheesy videos like this one. Thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.